What if everything we thought we knew about Earth's core was wrong? Forget everything you learned in science class because cutting-edge research has uncovered shocking truths that could rewrite the story of our planet. For centuries, humanity has only scratched the surface of Earth's true depths. But today, that changes. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe to Glitch Lab, because the mysteries we're about to reveal might just change the way you see our world forever. So, are you ready to dive into the unknown? In school, we were shown a neat diagram of Earth. A thin outer crust, a vast mantle, a molten outer core, and a solid inner core. Simple, clean, settled. But the deeper we look, the stranger things become. We've never drilled beyond the crust. Everything we think we know about the deep Earth is built on indirect evidence. Seismic waves, magnetic readings, and computer models. The truth? Beneath our feet may not be a static, simple structure, but a hidden world more alien than anything we imagined. Imagine an ocean larger than all the seas on Earth combined, but sealed away, hundreds of miles underground. In 2014, scientists studying a rare mineral called ringwoodite made a shocking discovery. Deep within its crystal structure, they found traces of water, proof that vast amounts of water are locked inside the mantle. This hidden ocean may hold 3 times the water of every surface ocean combined. If true, it changes everything we thought we knew about the water cycle, and even the origin of Earth's oceans themselves. Could this underground ocean be where life began, protected from the violent surface of early Earth? Or could it be a reservoir that one day reshapes the entire planet? But the water beneath us isn't the only secret. Scientists have discovered 2 colossal structures buried deep in the mantle, each the size of continents. They're called LLSVPS, or Large Low Shear Velocity Provinces. To seismologists, they appear as strange anomalies, vast blobs of material that don't behave like the rest of the mantle. Some scientists believe these blobs are the remains of ancient planets, swallowed by Earth during its violent birth. If true, that means our planet is not one world, but many. Fragments of lost worlds fused together. When you stand on Earth, you may literally be standing on the ruins of alien worlds buried far beneath your feet. Deep inside Earth, the inner core spins. For decades, scientists believed it rotated steadily, like the beating heart of the planet. But new research suggests the inner core may not spin at the same rate as the rest of Earth. In fact, it may sometimes slow down, speed up, or even reverse direction. If true, this could explain mysterious changes in Earth's magnetic field, and perhaps even subtle effects on climate. Think about that. The very ground beneath you might be shifting in rhythm with a hidden heartbeat, pulsing in ways we barely understand. But the most immediate mystery lies in Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us from deadly solar radiation. We know it has flipped many times in Earth's history. North becomes south, compasses fail, entire magnetic maps rewritten. And now, the field is weakening faster than expected. Strange anomalies like the South Atlantic anomaly are already interfering with satellites. If a full reversal happens in our lifetime, navigation systems could fail, satellites could be fried, and radiation could surge through our skies. The invisible shield that has protected life for billions of years may not last forever. Earth isn't just a rock floating in space. It's alive with energy. Trapped inside the planet is unimaginable heat, left over from its violent birth and fueled by radioactive decay. That heat powers volcanoes, earthquakes, and the shifting of continents. At hydrothermal vents deep in the ocean, this heat creates ecosystems that thrive without sunlight, living proof that life doesn't need the surface to survive. If Earth's hidden heat can fuel life here, could it also support life deep underground, or even on other planets beyond our own? Of course, where mystery thrives, so do myths. For centuries, people have speculated that Earth might be hollow, housing secret civilizations, hidden realms, even legendary places like Agartha or Shambhala. Science dismisses these ideas, but their persistence reveals something powerful: humanity's instinctive sense that there's more beneath our feet than meets the eye. And while the hollow Earth may be myth, the truth may be stranger than legend. Oceans we can't reach, worlds buried within worlds, and forces so vast they defy imagination. But here's the real challenge. We've barely touched the surface. The deepest hole humans have ever drilled, the Kola super deep borehole in Russia, only reached 7.5 miles. That's just scratching the crust. The core lies nearly 4,000 miles below. To truly unlock Earth's secrets, we need new tools. Advanced seismic mapping, neutrino detectors, even quantum technology may help us peer deeper than ever before. But for now, most of Earth remains a mystery, an unexplored frontier, hiding secrets that could reshape science and our future. So here's the real question. Are we prepared to accept that Earth still holds secrets powerful enough to rewrite science, history, and our very place in the universe? Our textbooks may just be the first draft of Earth's story. The deeper we go, the more shocking the chapters become. Earth's crust is a recycler. Continents merge into supercontinents like Pangaea, then break apart. But before Pangaea, there was Rodinia, Columbia, Nuna, worlds forgotten. Their pieces may still lie buried in the mantle. Every few 100 million years, Earth reshapes itself, and each cycle leaves mysteries carved deep below. Recent seismic studies suggest the inner core itself may have another core inside it, an innermost core, with different properties, maybe even rotating at a different speed. Earth's center may not be one heart, but two. Some mantle regions give off strange, unexplained heat, more than expected. Is it radioactive decay, unknown elements, or something beyond our models? This excess energy could trigger earthquakes, fuel volcanoes, even reshape continents. Throughout history, Earth's interior has rewritten life itself. The Siberian traps, massive volcanic eruptions 250 million years ago, wiped out 90% of species. Other cataclysms reshaped evolution. Earth's core is both protector and destroyer. Deep beneath our feet lies a treasure trove beyond imagination. Scientists believe Earth's core contains staggering amounts of precious metals, gold, platinum, even rare Earth elements vital for modern technology. If humanity could access them, our economies would be transformed overnight. But here's the twist. The metals are locked thousands of miles below the surface, fused into the iron heart of our planet. The very forces that make Earth habitable have hidden away riches we may never touch. And it makes you wonder, what secrets of value still wait in the shadows of the deep? Gravity. We feel it every second, yet it doesn't act the same everywhere on Earth. In some regions, it pulls harder. In others, weaker. Scientists call these gravity anomalies, and they may hold clues to what lies beneath. Massive, dense structures deep in the mantle, perhaps ancient slabs of crust or unknown material, are tugging at us invisibly. It's as if the planet itself is whispering through gravity, revealing a hidden map of its interior. Could these anomalies be evidence of secrets science hasn't yet dared to explain? Every few 100 million years, Earth seems to unleash fury on a scale beyond comprehension. Entire species wiped out, ecosystems erased, and one suspect keeps rising to the surface, the deep Earth itself. Giant volcanic pulses, fueled by plumes rising from near the core, may have triggered some of history's greatest extinctions, from the Siberian traps to the end of the dinosaurs. These cataclysms remind us that Earth is not just a home, but a living engine of creation and destruction. The question isn't if the planet will pulse again, but when. If this journey into Earth's hidden depths has changed the way you see our planet, don't stop here. Subscribe to Glitch Lab, because the next mystery we uncover might just change your world forever.